Welcome back, fam. So on today's video I'm going to bake mackerel in the oven, so you want to stay with me throughout the short video and enjoy. Alright, so I am going to bake for mackerel. So to begin, I'm going to prep my mackerel before the oven. Okay, so I've already taken everything I need to take out from the stomach and from the head because it's a little bit messy. I don't want it to be on camera. So then I am going to wash everything, the blood stains and all, because we don't need it on the fish. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to use lemon juice to cleanse the stomach and also from the head. I don't need any blood stains on my mackerel. I need to take everything out. So the next thing is to salt it, and definitely I'm going to show you how the stomach is looking. So then the preparation is ready, and the fish or the mackerel fish is to get into the oven. Okay. And I'm going to bake this under 200 degrees. And yeah. So at this point, guys, my mackerel is done, and this brings us to the end of this video. So if you are not part of my YouTube family, you want to click on the subscribe button. You want to join this wonderful family, don't forget to click on that notification bell icon. Anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be notified by YouTube. So I want to say a very big thank you to all of you, to my returning subscribers. I love you guys, and until I come your way again next time, here is Rayma Healthy Way. It's bye.